Have you ever wondered what would happen if the moon crashed into the Earth? Well, let's set the stage for this cosmic catastrophe. Imagine the moon descending from its orbit, drawn towards our planet by a mysterious force. As it nears, the gravitational effects alone would set our world into chaos. Earthquakes would shake our continents, the seas would surge high into the sky, creating massive tsunamis that crash into our coastal cities. But the real disaster unfolds when the moon finally collides with Earth. The energy released in that moment would be like nothing we've ever witnessed. Imagine all the nuclear weapons in the world detonating at once, and then multiply that 1,000-fold. The shockwave from this impact would be powerful enough to level mountains and carve out new valleys. The impact would be catastrophic, unleashing unimaginable energy and changing life on Earth as we know it forever. The debris from the collision would blanket the atmosphere, blocking out sunlight and plunging the planet into darkness. A veil of dust and rock would transform our blue skies into an endless night, causing temperatures to drop drastically. We're talking about a global winter that could potentially last for years, not unlike the Ice Age. With the moon gone, the gravitational harmony that we've always known would be disrupted. Earth's rotation would become erratic, leading to a host of unpredictable changes. You might start to notice that your usual 24-hour day isn't quite so consistent anymore. Imagine a world without tides, where the oceans become eerily still. The ebb and flow that once nurtured marine life would cease to exist, leading to a catastrophic collapse of aquatic ecosystems. The ripple effect would be felt across all forms of life. Days would become longer, and the seasons would become more extreme. Humanity would face unimaginable challenges, struggling to adapt to a world forever altered by the absence of the moon. Our planet, once bathed in moonlight, would now lie in perpetual darkness. Our days would stretch into an endless twilight, and the seasons would become unpredictable at best. Life as we know it would be turned upside down. But let's not forget, we are a species built on adaptation and resilience. We have survived ice ages, volcanic eruptions, and even wars that have spanned continents. We have the capacity to endure, to innovate, and to rebuild. In the face of such adversity, our creativity would ignite. We would find new ways to harness energy, cultivate food, and sustain life. Our resilience would be our beacon, guiding us through the darkest of nights. So while the idea of the moon crashing into Earth may seem like a far-fetched scenario, it serves as a reminder of the fragile balance that exists in our universe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content.